Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my August 2022 Empties video. But before we get started, I did want to talk about this product that came in my, was this the Petit Four box? I think it was. And this is the Envio Beauty Velvet Color Stick. Mine came in the color Where You Can. Weird name, don't really get it, but I gave it 4 little dabs on the cheeks and just tapped it out, and I think it looks amazing. I think it's gorgeous. So this is a lovely product, and I think they sent out different colors to everyone. So if you got a different color and have tried it, I'd love to hear about it, because this one I think looks phenomenal. So very happy about that. Now let's get digging into these products, because I have a ton this month. I guess I just used up a lot of stuff, and I'm just going to start grabbing the big stuff. So the biggest thing in here is from Hello. It's the Naturally Healthy Anti-Gingivitis Mouthwash in Natural Mint. This is the one I purchase over and over and over again because I like the flavor. It's easy to find because it's on Amazon in a 3-pack, and it doesn't make my mouth peel like some alcohol, real stringenty ones. So yeah, I like this and I'll keep buying it. The next product I'm really disappointed about having to get rid of. It is the Pacifica Higher Hold Vegan Collagen Hairspray, and I just have to get rid of this because I can't get it to spray out. This is a nearly full bottle, and I've cleaned the tip. I've done whatever I could. I even got something a little teeny tiny and like got in there and nothing. Oh, it was coming out the side that time. Maybe I'll fuss with that some more, but I highly doubt I'm going to get this to actually come out, so that's probably going to be going. Next, and this is 2 items actually, is the Brilliant Black Toothpaste with activated charcoal from Terra & Co. I actually started using the small one. I've used it 2 or 3 times. I just did not like the consistency whatsoever. And since I have a large one, I'm just going to give these both away to a friend because I didn't care for it. Next we have the Dirty Glam Ultra Day Serum. This was a face product that I did not care for the ingredients for, and I used it on my body instead, and it was fine, but obviously I didn't use it for the intended use, so I wouldn't recommend it. I also finished the Equal RxN Oat Milk PHA Serum. Yeah. And I actually quite liked this. I did use this on the face as intended, and I thought it was fantastic, a really nice little product. I have a lot of skincare stuff to get through, but in theory I would definitely purchase this again. I finished the Timeless Organics Repairing Shampoo. I don't think this was very good, especially if you have thick or curly hair. Would not repurchase that. Austin finished a shampoo. He used Task Biotin Boost Thickening Shampoo. He's still buying this one because we cannot find the charcoal one anywhere. If you can find it in your area, let me know. We still have not been able to locate it. So he does like this one though, just not as much. I finished the Andalou Naturals 1000 Roses Body Lotion, which was a perfectly fine lotion. This struck me as more something you might keep in your purse for on the go rather than using out of the shower, because it's not the most moisturizing, but it certainly gets the job done for spot moisturizing on the go. But yeah, I finished that. I finished an Up and Up brand basic cotton rounds, and it takes forever for me to go through these because I only use them to remove nail polish, so probably won't see another one of these for a while, but these are the ones I like to purchase when I do purchase cotton rounds. And in conjunction with that, I did finish the Ella and Mila Nail Care In a Rush top coat, and I didn't actually finish it. There's still about that much product in there that I just can't use anymore because it's so thick. When you pull it out and wipe it on, it actually strings. It creates strings and has pools. So I can't use this anymore. I've repurchased a new one from a different company, so I'll talk about that when the time comes. I finished the Delia Organics Cleansing Melt. This is their kind of makeup cleanser, makeup melt, and I wouldn't repurchase this. I don't think it's as good as the Drunk Elephant one, and that's the one I prefer buying. It just leaves a really greasy film on the face even after you do a second cleanse with another cleanser. I'd have to do like 3 cleanses using this, and it was kind of a pain in the butt. So I wouldn't recommend that one. This is a product that I did not finish and I'm just going to give away. This is from Cuccio Somatology. It's the Chill Cooling Body Scrub with peppermint, Epsom salt, and seaweed extract. This is one of those scrubs that leaves like a moisturizing film on after you rinse it off, and I hate that feeling. I don't like it at all. To me, a scrub is not also a body wash. They are 2 different things. So if I'm scrubbing my skin, I want to wash my skin after, because I just scrubbed dead skin cells off. I don't know, and I feel like I should wash it after. I don't like that it leaves a film. It's just more work for me when I then go to wash. It's just not my vibe, so I'm gonna give this away to a friend. A couple of equipment type things. I'm getting rid of this wet brush. This is mini travel version, and this just does not, it has no stiffness to it. The bristles just fold right over when I'm trying to get them through my hair. Yeah, it doesn't serve any purpose. It's not useful at all, so this has just gotta go. And then I also changed out my razor head. I use the Athena Club ones. It's kind of stuck to a tissue, so I'm just gonna set that to the side. I like the Athena Club razors, but I don't like their subscription style. I hate how I have to keep putting it on pause. I can't just indefinitely pause until I'm ready. I don't like that, but the razor is really nice. 3 more things. I finished the JVN Complete Nourishing Shine Drops. So these are kind of like a hair oil, and I do think they make your hair shiny and pretty, but I just feel like I would want a product that can add the shine and also add some sort of nourishing factor. I don't think this nourished very well. I feel like that could be a 2-in-1, and this is kind of just an individual single-purpose product that could be doing more. Absolute opposite of that, the best product I've found for hair, and this is just something I randomly got as a sample, is this K18 Biometric Hair Science Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. So it's a post-showering product, and it is phenomenal. Absolutely amazing. I will definitely be repurchasing this because it is just so good with my dry damaged hair. Amazing. So good, so good. I cannot rave about this enough. It just leaves your hair feeling like the softest silk in the world. And the last product I have to share with you guys is from Chilla, and it is the Eyebrow Defining Clear Gel. And it just started kind of getting thick and goopy and gross from using it too much, even though there's still some product in there. I like this a lot. And after, hold on, you're gonna hear squeaking from my drawer. After switching back to this Milk one that I had already purchased before I really got into the thick of things with this one, this is just the clear one from Milk. I am liking the size of this brush better. This brush is bigger than the one in the Milk one, and I think this one is the one I prefer. So while I actually really love the Milk product, I might end up repurchasing this one when the time comes. That's all my empties from August. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button, and otherwise I'll talk to you all later. Bye. I'm just gonna put this at the end of the video, but of course I messed with this thing for probably a straight half an hour when I went to go use it. And today when I go to film, it suddenly decides to work. I just scrape it off a little and it works. So I have no idea what the heck was happening with it last time, but I'm going to keep this because I don't use Hairspray often and I don't want to buy more. So take that out of the empties.